In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can track a stolen laptop and enable the Find My Device option on your Windows 11. So for that, let's go quick into the process. Click on the Start button and go to the Settings option. Now, once you're in the Settings window, in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Privacy and Security, and here you will Find My Device option. Track your device if you think you've lost it. Make sure this is enabled from here. But since I am not signed in with my Microsoft account, that's why I cannot enable this from here. But I can easily sign in into my Microsoft account. But in your case, you are already signed in into your Microsoft account. So make sure this is turned on. And this is already turned on. It is just grayed out from here. So once this is turned on, open a browser and visit account.microsoft.com. Okay, visit account.microsoft.com and log into your Hotmail account or Gmail account that you have used to log in into your Microsoft account or your Microsoft account, just simply log in that from here. So I have the How to Fix Guides account, and here you'll find the option Find My Device. Click on that, and here you can track the location of your device from here. Okay, so it also has the Find button from here that you can use to track your device. It also has the location from here. So that's it. That's how you can easily track if your laptop will be lost. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.